Why did Kraken fail? What happened to Kraken, the mobile payment startup that was supposed to revolutionize the way we pay? In 2011, Kraken was one of the most hyped startups in Silicon Valley. It raised over $100 million in venture capital and was valued at over $1 billion. But just a few years later, Kraken was gone. What went wrong? In this video, we'll take a look at the rise and fall of Kraken and try to answer the question, why did it fail? Introduction. Imagine a world where you could pay for anything with your smartphone. No more need for cash or credit cards. Just tap your phone to a terminal and the payment is made. This is the vision that Kraken was trying to achieve. Kraken was founded in 2009 by two former Google engineers, Ted Wong and Greg Passmore. The company's goal was to create a mobile payment system that was easy to use, secure, and affordable. Kraken's technology was impressive. The company developed a proprietary mobile payment platform that used near-field communication, NFC, technology to enable contactless payments. Kraken also partnered with a number of major banks and retailers to promote its service. Despite all of its advantages, Kraken never really took off. The company struggled to gain traction with consumers and businesses. In 2014, Kraken was sold to Square for just $10 million. What went wrong? There are a number of reasons why Kraken failed. Here are some of the most important ones. Timing. Kraken was ahead of its time. Mobile payments were still in their infancy in 2011. Consumers were not yet ready to embrace a new way of paying for things. Competition. Kraken faced stiff competition from established players like PayPal and Visa. These companies had deep pockets and strong brand recognition. Lack of focus. Kraken tried to do too many things at once. The company was trying to build a mobile payment platform, a loyalty program, and a social network. This made it difficult for consumers to understand what Kraken was all about. Poor marketing. Kraken did not do a good job of marketing its product. The company did not have a clear message or target audience. High costs. Kraken's mobile payment platform was expensive to implement. This made it difficult for businesses to adopt the technology. Kraken was a promising startup with a great idea, but ultimately, the company failed to achieve its goals. There are a number of factors that contributed to its downfall. There are a number of lessons that we can learn from Kraken's failure. These include: timing is important. Don't try to introduce a new product or service too early. Focus on your core strengths. Don't try to do too many things at once. Market your product effectively. Make sure that people know about your product and understand what it does. Keep your costs down. Don't make your product too expensive. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.